Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DKSC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like through this time frame, and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Done this analysis several times in the past, but I don't mean to state the obvious after today, but very nice movement, not only from a price action perspective. You look down here at the volume, and definitely the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of updates here need to be made, so as there are quite a few eyeballs on it. The first is I just want to talk about some areas of support. And the first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. When you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up above 0075. Now, don't get me wrong, if the price falls below that area, I'm not saying the entire chart's broken or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to actually stay up above 0075, that would be a massive sign of strength on the bulls' part going forward. Taking a step back and looking at things from more so a big picture point of view, that's where the purple line here comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, this right here being defined as quote-unquote the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, sure, staying above 0075, that would be awesome. But from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? That is pretty straightforward at this point in time. Nothing complicated other than the fact that the bulls could just simply make no more progress after 0088. 4 times this afternoon, the price tried to get up through there and just couldn't quite do it. So that'll be near-term public enemy number 1 going forward. But all in all, resistance levels matter, but they don't matter. And I say they don't matter because, as you can see from the big picture point of view here from the chart, what ultimately matters is just chipping away and building higher bases. Because as long as higher bases continue to be built like the price has been doing, if you picture those as stair steps, then overall the stair steps will continue in the upwards direction and the overall chart will take care of itself. So nice movement today. Just keep chipping away with those higher lows. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.